Hey guys, this is me back again on my channel. Welcome back. I'm just going to take you guys for a quick walk around Franklin Park, New Jersey. I did a video before, but then unfortunately what happened was there was snow on the lens and I couldn't take it properly. So here we go again. And yeah, look at that snow. Everything is covered. The flakes are so big. Everything is covered. Cars are covered. The floor is covered. The ground is covered. Oh god, this is crazy. It's kind of windy too. It's kind of windy. My car is almost getting covered here. It's not bad. This is supposed to be the biggest one, like they said, but I'm not too sure about that because it just started some 2-3 hours back, and this is the second snow for the season. Expecting around 8 to 12 inches. I've seen people use covers for their cars, for the snow covers. That's good. That's smart, actually. Not bad. I should have bought one of those things. You can just take it off once it's done. Yeah, there's a nice blanket of snow on the ground. It's easily an inch right now. Let's see how bad it gets later on. We did go for a walk earlier. It's kind of slippery though. I can only hear noises of seagulls. And some people are still on the road trying to make their way home and stuff. You can see. Yeah. It's crazy, right? I already got snow on me too. You see this side, it's a nice blanket of snow here. Nice and quiet. Oh, I see cars coming through even now. That's crazy. I wonder how to get dry on these things because they haven't started yet clearing the roads. So it's crazy. It's crazy to drive. Yeah, I think I'm just trying to clear my lens all the time. Look at that. Just look at that. It's crazy. It's nice and misty, like snow mist all around. The visibility is like bad. Yeah. Just keep trying to clear my lens once in a while I record this. Yeah, because when I recorded earlier there was a mist on the lens, like snow on the lens, and I couldn't see properly. But yeah. There you go. Hope it's clear now. I'm not too sure. Look at that. Oh man, I thought I was the only crazy one. I see a person having a smoke outside. Huh, okay. I guess I'm not the only crazy guy here. Well, you gotta do what you gotta do. I saw a couple outside earlier with their dog. But you know what? Dog's gotta go, so you gotta go too, I guess. There's nothing stopping that. Yeah. Hey.
Hello.
How are you? He's having his nice cup of tea or coffee or something, and a smoke as well. This is crazy. My face is freezing. It's kind of hitting straight on my face. Like the snow it's coming this way, and it's like just hitting on my face, and I'm like, damn, that hurts. I think it should turn back now. Yeah, it's like, I'll show you a glimpse though. You know what? There's a person with a dog right there in front of me. Like I said, when the dog's gotta go, you gotta go. I didn't expect to see someone now, since it got worse. God, that's crazy. They're still having this coffee. That's it. I'm just gonna head back home. There you go. Car's trying to make the way slow. There's leaves of snow on it. There you go. Doggy enjoying the snow. Dog's having fun. Definitely having fun. Cool. Last year we were worried about there was no snow last year, and we were like, man, where's the snow gone? We want some snow. Now this year people are praying for less snow. People don't want the snow. They're done shoveling the driveways and cleaning their cars and stuff. People are actually hoping that this wouldn't happen, but yeah, nature proved wrong. It is happening right now. And it's extra work for me because I gotta clean like 3 cars now, so it's work for me too. But yeah, this is crazy. That's a nice amount of snow here. If you see, there you go. Huh. That's cool. You know what I'm thinking right now? I would have said hot chocolate, but I think this calls for a whiskey. A hot chocolate is not going to do it. A whiskey, neat, sip it, enjoy a movie, and just wait it out. Lucky for me, I don't have to go to work tomorrow because it's my off day. But I don't know. I think my mom has to go. Dad probably too. I don't know how it's gonna be for them, but definitely whiskey time. Sorry for the black spot in between. I keep trying to clear my lens all the time. As the snow is falling on it, it's kind of creating a block on the screen. I'm almost home. Trying to cover my lens from the snow. I heard there's snow again coming next week as well. We're all done with the snow. I feel like, oh my god, this is too much snow now. I should have bought a snow cover for my car too. Damn, look at it. Oh god. I want to try this. You know? Go under the tree, shake the tree a bit. The snow falls on you. Let's try it out. I don't think so, but yeah, okay, that works. Yeah, that's cool. Anyways, I'm home. It's time for the whiskey. See you guys later. Stay tuned for more. Bye. Peace out.